Hello guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Binta, and if this is your first time, go ahead and hit that subscribe button please, and also like this video. So today's recipe I stole from my Gambian sister Mansa Queen, and this is her cornbread recipe. Listen, I am one of those people that do not even like cornbread because I hate how hard the cornbread is when done. Okay, so I'm not really interested in it, but when I saw this recipe I was like, oh my goodness. And this is a Jiffy cornbread hack. Okay, I don't know from who she got this hack from, but this is a lifesaver, and from now on I am so hooked, like so hooked guys. Anyways, if you would like to see how I recreated this cornbread recipe, make sure you stay tuned and watch the rest of the video. Alrighty, let's get into this video. So here is everything that I need, and I have my Jiffy cornbread mix, of course, that is a must. I have 1 quart sugar, I have 3 eggs, and she also said 7 tablespoons of butter. Okay, and this is salted butter. Okay, make sure you guys go ahead and subscribe to Mansa Queen's channel. I have the link in my description, and also it is pinned down in the comment section. I also have my cast iron because she used the cast iron to make this. This is the first time I'm using cast iron to make cornbread. Okay, and yeah, now let's go ahead and add our cornbread mix into our clean bowl, and we're just going to break all the lumps that is in the cornbread mix. All right, I am adding my sugar into it, and then I'm gonna keep breaking the lumps. All right, guys, now we are moving to the next step, and we are going to be breaking our 3 eggs and just put it in the bowl. Lest I forget, she also mentioned substituting milk for buttermilk. Okay, regular milk for buttermilk, and I forgot to show you guys my buttermilk, but I do have one and a one and a half, 1 1/4 cup of milk. And yeah, this is our buttermilk. Okay, and I just put everything in the mixture of the egg, and we're just going to be whisking that very nicely. Guys, this was so delicious. Like, you guys need to try that recipe. Go watch Mansa Queen's video because that video went viral. Okay, and I don't regret trying it because it was good. Anyways, now I put my butter in my cast iron skillet, and I'm going to be putting that on my stove to melt it. Okay, now the next step is get my cornbread mix, and I am going to be pouring my buttermilk and egg mixture into it. All right, our butter is melted, and as you guys can see, like, we're going to be pouring that into our bowl. Okay, and she said to leave a little bit of melted butter in the pot. Okay, for some reason I guess it's going to help get the cornbread less sticky, and it worked perfectly. So now we're going to be giving this a very good whisk. Okay, a very good one, because we don't want any lumps into our cornbread. And as you guys can see, I am really mixing this. I'm really whisking it, and whoo, man, so this was some work. My hand hurts. My hand hurts, but it was worth it though. To be honest, it was worth it. As you guys can see, I am just looking to see if we have any lumps in there, and it looks perfect at this point. Make sure you're scraping everything from the bottom, okay? And now we are just going to go here and pour the mixture into our skillet. And this skillet at this point is very hot. You know, if you don't know cast iron, you always want it to be hot anytime you're putting it in the oven, okay? So we're just gonna pour that and give it a good shake, like Mansa said. And by the way, this is a 10-inch cast iron skillet. Voila, now we are going to be putting it inside the oven, and our oven is preheated already, and it is at 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and we're just going to bake that for an hour. In Mansa's recipe, she said 45 minutes, but my oven is different. Mine took an hour, okay? So yeah, guys, at this point, we have brought it out from the oven, and as you guys can see, it looks really, really nice and crusty. The crust was everything, to be honest. Now I have 1 more tablespoon in my bowl, melted butter, and I just added some honey into it. And this was her own tip, and I absolutely love it. This honey and melted butter is a game changer. It took the like whole cornbread to another level. Like I was making more melted butter and honey every time I'm eating this cornbread. Okay, it was that good. And we're just going to be brushing that on top of our cornbread, and as you guys can see, it looks so shiny and nice, and it is delicious. Wow, guys, look at that, look at that. If I tell you guys this was good, it was good. Like it was really good. Anyways, after letting the cornbread sit for about a few minutes so it can cool down, now we are ready to cut and taste, okay? And this is a life changer. Mansa, you got me hooked. You really do got me hooked. So guys, make sure you check out my girlfriend. She's doing wonders here on YouTube by bringing you all the good recipes to your kitchen. Okay, look how good this looks. Look how great this looks. Look how yummy this looks, and it tastes just like that. And the crust was everything. Like she said, I'm a crust lover just like her too. You know, everything I do baking, I want the crusty part. Okay, so yeah, guys, basically that is it for this video, and I hope you guys enjoyed watching it. If you do, you know what to do. Go ahead and give me a big thumbs up, and also subscribe to my channel if you're not already. Until I see you in my next video. Bye, guys.